guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS ADIRACER LO. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ADIDAS ADIRACER LO. We got this in the cool green colorway in the UK size 8. It's a US 8.5 and it's a European 42. So let's go unbox them. Here they are. Very sleek trainer, slim line as well. And something I want to comment on is that depending on when you're watching this is like early 2025, so Happy New Year. What we're seeing in fashion is a lot of these low cut sneakers. I'm going to get into detail about, you know, I wouldn't say inspiration, but you see sneakers always having kind of a direct model to kind of battle it out with another competitor. So if you can't tell, this is Adidas's answer to the Puma Speedcat. So we've done a good review of the Puma Speedcat before. Check that out if you've got a minute. But this just reminds me of the Speedcat. But I'm going to get into that a bit more later. So we'll start off with the outsole. So the outsole is all rubber outsole. Kind of looks like a tire. Look underneath. And it has every right to be because this was inspired by a race car. Looking at the midsole unit. So there is not really a midsole unit. It essentially is like a cup sole. It's very thin. So if I was to show it up here, there's barely any support, I would say. I mean, there is support, but it's all encompassed underneath this rubber outsole. You can kind of see this foam that's just here in the middle of the feet, middle of the shoe, sorry. And that kind of provides your comfort and cushioning. And then you look at the upper, and you got a very sleek upper, again, like a speed car, very slim, very sleek, aerodynamic and all that. And it's in this green colorway. It's like it's quilted upper as well. You can see the stitching kind of gives you that quilted feel. In Adidas fashion, you got the 3 stripes in the medial and the lateral side. Nicely padded tongue, and you got your normal lacing function right there. You got the Adidas truffle logo on the bottom of the front of the sneaker, and it's there on the tongue also. And if you look at the back, you got suede hits right there at the heel tab. And in the insole, you've got a synthetic insole with the Adidas logo also. Very lightweight sneaker. And again, like I mentioned before, this is the kind of trends we're seeing nowadays. People are kind of like finished with the dad shoe, chunky trainer vibes. They're very much going into the sleeker version. We've been seeing a lot with, you know, the Adidas Samba. Adidas have struck gold really by reintroducing their terrace pack, you know, their slim cut, low cut sneakers. You can see in the Gazelle, Samba, as I mentioned before. But then ever so slowly, people have been approaching the low cut racer vibe. You can obviously see it in the Speedcat, which I mentioned before. This is kind of like Adidas's direct answer, to the Speedcat. And you're seeing these juxtaposition in regards to like the cuts that people wear. They'll be wearing quite wider, baggier fits, but then as opposed, like in opposition to that look, they've got a slim sneaker. Kind of covers the sneaker itself, but you got this slim silhouette being worn. And you can see it again, like I've said, by many people in fashion, and loads of influencers have adopted that style, more or less using the Speedcat as that #1 styling. But I don't see why they wouldn't go for the ADIRACER LO. And like the Speedcat, it is modeled after a racing silhouette. All that said, I've got some baggy trousers to be wearing, so we can kind of show you how it will be styled. I'm not wearing the best colors, but we'll just show you the fit. But I hope you enjoy the on feet, so here it is for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend you might have to go half a down size to what you usually wear for Adidas. Typically, I am a size 8, so this should have been perfect, but it's a bit long, so there's a bit of a gap at the top of my feet. Other than that, that's the only thing I've got a problem with, because it's slim. It's a slim silhouette. It's actually not too bad. I think if I was to get a 7.5, it would fit better. Might be a bit tight, but that's the only thing I've got, that my toes aren't really touching the top right there, but it's not slipping off, as you can see here. Looks really cool. Obviously I went for the baggy joggers look today, and I kind of like how it drapes over the sneaker. That's kind of what people are, how people are styling their low cut sneakers, you know, their speedcats. I'm going to mention speedcat a lot because this is essentially the direct competition of it, in the sense of it being a low cut, slim, sleek sneaker. So as I mentioned before, you got that draped look, kind of wide baggy trousers. It's how it's meant to be worn, or how people are wearing it at the minute. So if you're one of those people, if you've got any tips for us, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.